Hey everybody, this is Rick over at Excel.tv, Excel TV. Gosh, we're ending 2019, about to head into 2020. So I want to give you a little update on what we've done the last year and things we're working on. First one, I'm visiting my family right now in upstate New York, out in the country. So I want to give you a little view of that. That's my mom's flowering shed. Like, we're way out in the country, way out in the sticks. My mom's house. That's my son over there. He's watching me. He said, please get me out of frame. But I'm going to get him in frame. So you got a little red tin roof. It's a little log cabin-ish kind of vibe they're working on. So anyways, that's where I'm at. It's snowing out here right now. I'm a Florida boy, so it's a little rough. So anyways, some of the things we did in 2019. Gosh, for the good portion of Excel TV's existence, I pretty much drove the ship, created a lot of the content, etc. And 2019, Jordan really took, as a chief operating officer, Jordan Goldmeyer took over the reins, created a lot more of our content, a lot more of the feel of the website, and a lot more of the YouTube videos. And near the end of the year, I started to add some more content as well. So as we head into 2020, you're going to see a good portion of those two forces coming together. You know, a lot more content from both of us, a lot more blog posts, a lot more free content. We're also going to, as far as paid stuff, you're also going to see some of my small business champion bundle, which is something I put together, gosh, I want to say about 6 or 7 years ago, right before Excel TV. We're going to bundle those into Excel TV. Those were a series of business templates, Excel templates for small business owners. Gosh, those start to come down now. You're also going to see Jordan, who's been doing a lot of speaking in the last year. He's really been on the speaking circuit. So one of the things he's going to be involved in April, and I'm going to be there as well, is we'll both be involved with Excel Summit, which will be over in London. So stop by and see us. I'm sure there'll be a coupon around here somewhere, so take a look at that. So Excel Summit, I believe that's in April in London. Jordan will be speaking. I'll be there, probably live streaming, etc., doing interviews. So you can see a lot more interviews in 2020 as well. One of the big things we're working on in the first quarter, and we'll probably release this by the third week or so in January, is Excel TV membership site. This won't immediately include a forum, but eventually include a forum as well. Place where people can interact with Jordan and other Excel MVPs. But the real thing of this is this will be paid monthly. But in this membership site, we'll have a good portion of the courses that we have available right now. Certainly all of Jordan's courses, Excel Dashboard Pro. Additionally, I'm going to start a course in Monte Carlo simulation. There'll be a lot of content in there. So as I look over 2020, gosh, I'm just going to walk you around here. So as I look over in 2020, because we started adding a lot more free content to the website, etc. You know, as we look December over December, year over year, gosh, our volume as far as people coming to the website increased about 50% year over year. So with that in mind, you know, we're going to continue to work on the free content, make sure that we're making stuff available. Certainly that's bringing people to the website and bringing people into our community. So you're going to see a lot more of that in 2020 and a lot more focus on YouTube as well. Also, if you have any interest in on-site training, so Jordan's been doing quite a bit of this in 2019, and we're going to continue that and double down on it in 2020. As far as in-person, Jordan comes to your company and delivers in-person training. Certainly get in contact with us. You can reach Jordan directly at jordan@excel.tv. So anyways, we're excited about 2020. Jordan and I, gosh, he came over to Jacksonville, Florida, Fleming Island, Florida, which is where I live, just a few months ago, maybe about a month or so ago, to have our annual strategy sessions. So with that, we planned out a good portion of this membership site, planned out a good portion of what we're going to do. So now it's just putting in the work. It's going to be a lot of work, but to do this in early 2020. So anyways, everybody, you're going to probably get, if you're on our email list, you're going to get an email from Jordan as well, kind of outlining some of our goals for 2020. But just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate that, then Happy Festivus, but also a Happy New Year from the team at Excel TV. So until next time, keep on excelling.